are assembling the tennis mason jar. So we're going to start by assembling the box. We're just going to fold on all the score lines. Okay. So I'm going to start on the side that does not have the extra piece. For me, that's easier. So the box has squared corners on the bottom to make the actual box assembly a little bit easier. And I'm going to line it up to the center piece first, and then the other two sides just kind of fall into place. So you can see it's pretty simple, goes together pretty quickly. And I should have put the side with the tab on first, because then I would have had this tab here to glue down. I did it backwards. Can still be done this way. You just have to be a little more careful lining it up. Okay. So there are pieces for two sides. I'm only going to do one for the video because both sides are the same. So for your lid, you just want to glue this piece here in the center. And I'm going to put my lid on before I put the panel on. Would be nice if I had the right one. That one doesn't fit. I have some other ones. I have a lot of pieces cut. This is the one that fits this. Now for your panel, you just want to take your straight edge here on the curvy piece and just find where it fits. It goes all the way to the edge and you've got your straight edge on both sides. It's the easiest way to find where it goes. You don't want to use too much glue. And then I'm going to apply the glue to the box because the corners are cut off and I don't want glue hanging over the edge. And when I put this on, I'm going to stand it up so I have the table to guide the bottom of the panel. And then it does come with a tag. And then you don't have to do both sides if you just want one side decorated. But you do have pieces for two if you want it. And then you would attach your tag. And that is the tennis ball mason jar. Thank you for joining me.